How to add Outlook email to iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply go to your iPhone settings app, because using the iPhone's built-in map app is the easiest way to add the Outlook email. There, scroll and tap on the apps. Inside app, scroll and look for the mail app and simply tap on it. Then tap on the mail accounts at the top. Once you tap on the mail account, all you have to do is tap on the add account option available there. You can tap on the choose from the list option available in the blue highlights and simply choose the Outlook email. Once you choose Outlook, input full Outlook email address and password when prompted. Then tap sign in or next, then save and select which services, mail, contacts, calendar to sync. So that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.